Hello beautiful people, you're welcome to Gift God's Time channel, and today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to achieve this beautiful tutu skirt with an exposed elastic band. These are the fabrics I'll be working with: a tulle net of 10 yards and this elastic band, fancy elastic band of 2.5 inches in width, and I'll be using this taffeta so that it's going to line it and not make it see through. So now I've gone ahead to cut out my tulle. As you can see, they're of different layers, up to 3 layers. Now I divided the 10 yards into two, making it 5 yards each. So each layer you are seeing, there are 5 yards on the yardage with different lengths. The lengths are 2.5 inches shorter. So the desired length I want, I made them 2.5 inches shorter. So that is what we have. So and each layer I have two tulle nets, that is 5 yards into 2, 5 yards into 2, making all these layers are 6, because I'm having 3 layers. All these layers are 6, so 2 for each layer. So next I'll be gathering them. So that's what I did. I've gone ahead to gather each of the layers. So this is the first layer, which is the longest. I gathered the two together. This is the other one, which is the middle one. I gathered the two, and this will be the upper one. I also did the same thing. Next, I'm going to be cutting my taffeta, and I'll be cutting it in a half circle flea. I have a detailed tutorial of how to cut full circle, half circle. It's already on my channel, so I'll be fast on this one. So I'm just going to fold my fabric in that manner. So after folding my fabric in half circle flea, what I did was, the waist I'm working with is 23 inches, so I added 10 extra, making it 33. Now that 33, I divided it by 3.14, which is the measurement for cutting half flea. So I got 10.5, so that is what I'm marking around from the top part. So I'm going to mark that 10.5 all through. So after marking it, I'm going to cut it. So this is it. Next, I'm going to determine how long I want it to be. So now the tutu skirt, the longer part, the layer ends at 14.5 inches. So I am marking 1 inch shorter than it. So at first I marked 13 inches. Later I changed it to 12.5 inches. So this is the other mark that I changed it to. So this is 12.5 inches for the taffeta, while for the tutu, the longer part, that is the longest layer, is 14.5 inches, so it's 2 inch shorter. Next, what I'll be doing, I'll take the first layer of the two, which is the longest part, the longer layer, which is the 14.5 inches. I'm going to spread the gathers equally across the taffeta waistline. So I'm just going to spread these gathers so that they are uniformly. Okay, next I'm going to take the second layer and then do the same thing I did for the first layer and also the third layer. So after doing that, I'm going to sew them on the taffeta. So this is the outcome of it. This is how it looks like. As you can see, it's very full, and these are 5 yards each in yardage. So next I'm going to join the two ends together. So I'm just going to sew it together. So next I'm going to take my 2.5 inches elastic band, and then I'm going to subtract it from the waist. I'm going to subtract it by 6. My waist I'm working with is 23. I'm going to minus 6 from it, meaning I'm going to be having 17 inches of elastic. You know, it's an elastic now, so it's going to expand, so you don't use the same measurement. If not, it's not going to fit. So I have marked 17 inches and I'm going to sew it with less than ½ inch. So next I'm going to divide my elastic into 4 parts. So I'm just marking it with my chalk, and then I fold it again to mark all these points. All these points are needed because that is how you'll be join this elastic to fit on the tutu skirt. You know the tutu skirt is longer. So now this tutu skirt, I'm also going to mark it into 4. So we already have 1. The joining is already 1. So fold it into 2, another point. Fold it again into 2 again. You get all points, all the 4 points. Now you're going to align this elastic, all the 4 points you marked, to the tutu skirt. Firstly, you're going to merge where you have the joining both on the tutu skirt and also on the elastic, so that it aligns. Those joining parts, they are the same. It makes your work neater. So now you are putting the elastic on top of the tutu skirt, not below it, just on top of it. So next you're going to take that marked point that you marked from the elastic, and you're going to also merge it to the other marked points of the tutu skirt. So these are the sides. Now we've already marked the back, so now we are merging the sides of the elastic and the side of the tutu skirt. So this is how you're going to merge the front part and the other side. So that's why I say this marking is key. It's important, so that you'll be able to know how to stretch your elastic and it will fit on each angle. So I'm also pinning it down. You need your pins to guide you. So this is the middle parts, which I'm also going to pin down like the same way I did for the back and the side, and I'm also going to do the other side. So as you can see, we've gone round the skirt with our elastic. The next thing for us to do is to take this piece to the machine and sew. As you are sewing, you are stretching your elastic, not the tutu skirt but the elastic. So I'll be showing you the video of how I stretch the elastic on the tutu skirt on my sewing machine. So as you can see, I already placed my elastic on the tutu skirt. So this is it. I'm taking the tutu skirt and I'm stretching this elastic. So this is how I'm sewing it on top of the tutu skirt, on top of it. So as you can see, I'm stretching the elastic, not the tutu skirt. So I'm just going to stretch it till I get to that point where I have my needle, it's indicating one end. So I'm going to do it like that till I get to the other point. So that's why the pin you place also help you as a guide, so that as you are sewing, it makes you know that, oh, you've stopped at that point and then the next point. So that's how I'm going to do it till I get to the point I started from. So I had to speed up the video so that this tutorial is not that long. Now you might be asking, is this the same skirt with the thumbnail and the initial video? Yes, it is. It's just the camera that shaded it. There are 2 different phones I used. So this is our tutu skirt. If you've watched to this extent, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.